always wondered why people call them K-members. I call them cross members, but this is a cross member from BMR. Got here in 2 days. I ordered it on a Monday. It was here on Wednesday. So super fast shipping. Kudos to them. They make pretty good stuff. Oh, that's easy open. Let's take a look here. Yeah, that's it. This is much cleaner than what's in there now. What was in there now? What's in there now is for test fit, but this is going to be what we need to make it nice. It's going to free up a lot of weight, and it's going to be a lot safer, and it's a lot higher quality. So I think it's going to be great. So let's get it in there. So in order for this big guy to come out, got to take the intake manifold off. Got to take the intercooler out. Looks like, yeah, just got to unbolt everything and then finagle this thing up out of there.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
What you call it? TikTok videos.
You see that?
Yeah.
Inside. Yeah. All right, so the cross member is out. Now it's time for the BMR cross member to go in. This is their turbo one. So the reason why it's turbo is because these are swooped out, give you room for a big old snail. But basically, in order to make this one work, we're gonna have to grind down some of this powder coat that's right there, so that way we can weld our mounts to it underneath the car. And this is what it's gonna go up under there. You can see here I left the control arms in. That way I'm gonna try and squeeze that thing in there and just pull them out and slap them in, see if I can get away with that. If not, then I may have to unbolt them. We'll see. All right, so trying to fight both control arms, right, to slide this thing in, wasn't working. Oil pan's hitting the cross member. There's a whole bunch of stuff in the way, so the right thing to do, just go ahead and pull the swap out and then have a clean slate to work on. Yeah, buddy.
A few moments later.
So there's a reason why I don't film some things, because you don't want to see a middle-aged fat guy rolling around the ground making grunting noises. There's plenty of videos on that on the internet. So here's the cross member there. Old BMR. Had some issues putting the rack in, but I guess that's just because mine's old and busted. But it's in there, nice and neat. Got plenty of room for a whole bunch of stuff, all four of them. So now it's time to take this big old thing out of here, this big brake booster, because this master and this booster takes up a lot of room. Let me see if you can see that. I don't know if you can. Let me go the other way. Yeah, there we go. That big old booster takes up all that room. So once it's gone, we can access the tick mat for the clutch, the tick master, and then we can route our own lines. Heck, maybe put a line lock on the side of there. We'll see. So with the power of movie magic, I don't know what I was saying. Hey, so with the power of movie magic, don't need that no more either. You heard that? Did you hear that? I know you heard that. That was probably, what, a good 30, 40 pounds? So we're at 825. So that's, no, 925. That's 955. 955 pounds plus 300. All right, guys, so check it out. We pulled the motor out, whole transmission, the whole swap out, so you can see a mistake that I made. So picture in picture, you're going to see here. Where's that? Right here. You'll see the cowl on the Camaro. And if you remember, we had the engine way far back. So what happened was, because of the way the cowl is, I didn't tape that one hole. And that rain got in that one hole, filled this whole engine up. I dropped the pan, whole thing was messed up. So instead of working on this one, I've already got another one as a replacement. This will be our mock-up motor, so we can redesign these mounts because of the new tubular cross member, and we'll get everything finished up.